So ito mismo yung main chamber nila. Actually not chamber, but ito yung mismong receiving area nung Shogun. Hi guys, Bud TV here with another video. Ido-document na naman natin yung trip natin for today. Ngayon, chill na yung itinerary natin, sabi nga ng kaibigan kong si JM. So, we still have a few days dito sa Kyoto. Kahapon nagpunta na kami ng Osaka to check and see yung Cup Noodle Museum. But ngayon, we decided to go and check Niho Castle na this time. Niho Castle is yung kung if you guys are familiar with the series Shogun, ito yung castle ni nung famous na shogun, shogunate na si Tokugawa Ieyasu. I don't know kung tama yung pronunciation ko doon, pero siya yun. So, isa yun sa mga pupuntahan natin today. But take note, itong Niho Castle, you have to pay tickets for entrance kasi hindi siya free. Maybe yun yung dahilan kung bakit the palace or the castle is being well taken care of, kasi doon nila kinukuha yung pagpapaayos tsaka pagpapamaintain nung lugar. So, it is very interesting for us to see kasi we are fans of Shogun and may kita rin namin kung ano yung itsura ng castle itself based doon sa napanood namin sa series. Now, it is a good place to check dito sa Kyoto, and those are the things that we would like to see at i-share for today's video. Let's go! So, finally, nakapasok na tayo sa Niho Castle. Meron siyang entrance. Ang entrance ay 400 yen pagka adult. And then, 380 yata, if I'm not mistaken, for kids. For child. So, may difference yung ticket niya sa adult tsaka sa child. So makaka-discount pagka child ka. Ito, classic na na castle dito sa Japan. And ito yung sinasabi natin na Niho Castle, kung saan ito ang residence ni Shogunate Tokugawa Ieyasu.
If you guys are familiar with the series Shogun, eto siya. Eto ang kanyang residence dito sa Kyoto. So, galing kami ng ng Gojo. So, pag doon kayo naka check-in na hotel, from Gojo Station, sumakay lang kami ng train, tapos 2 stops siya, tapos bababa ka ng Karasuma Oike, and then you would take another train going to Nijojo-Mei Station. Pag akyat mo ng Nijojo-Mei Station, eto na kagad siya. Tignan nyo kung gaano ka-intricate yung designs ng mga pillars ng gate. Ngayon, today is a Saturday, so medyo mas marami yung mga visitors na pumapasok dito. But, nevertheless, ang ganda pa rin niya. We got inside the castle, but unfortunately, you're not allowed to film or take photos. But here are some clips from the outside of the chambers, from where filming is allowed. Sinabi mo yun sa kanila? So, ito yung backyard ng Imperial Palace or Castle ng Niho. Grabe yung landscape, This is how beautiful Japanese landscape is. Pagdating pa lang sa ponds, the arrangement of the rocks, and how the trees are constructed and even planted. Ganun sila ka-detailed. Meron nga kaming laging pinag-uusapan na pag nagpunta ka dito sa Japan, ultimo yung dahon pinupunasan kasi ang linis. Kahit yung paa ko, yung sapatos hindi dumudumi. Syempre, tumapa kami sa gravel or sa graba. So it's a little bit dusty, but it's really, really clean out here. And so, nagpayong na kami kasi it's really raining. Ayaw namin magkasakit ulit ni Charlie. We got the cold, we got the cough, but I am getting well now. And Charlie just had hers yesterday. So, sasarado na namin yung video natin for today. I hope you have liked the video. If you do, show some love and support by giving this a like. And comment kayo na mga questions nyo. Don't be afraid to type in your comments or questions, and we will try to ask or answer those questions for you, okay? So on a closing note, this is a good place to go to, and worth it yung entrance. It has a lot of history, and kung mahilig talaga kayo sa shogunate, magugustuhan nyo yung history dito sa Niho Castle. So again, sana mapuntahan nyo tong place na to and put this on your itinerary. If you like the video, support, and magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video, guys. From Niho Castle dito sa Kyoto, Japan, this is Bud TV and Charlie. Have a good one. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!